afternoon, students. As we have been discussing about history, chapter 5, that is the Mughals. Whatever we have discussed in the last video, ahead we shall discuss about the chapter. So, the next we shall see the dynasty of Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri, also called Sher Khan, was the son of a small Jagirdar from Jaunpur. His original name was Farid Khan. In his youth, he killed a tiger with his bare hands. अपने बिना किसी हथियार से जो है उसने शेर को मार गिराया था. उसका असली नाम फरीद खान था, जो एक जौनपुर का जागीरदार हुआ करता था. He emerged as a strong ruler of Bihar and occupied the throne of Delhi in 1540 by defeating the Mughal Emperor Humayun. He assumed the Delhi throne and became the ruler of Delhi in 1540 after defeating Mughal Emperor Humayun. Sher Shah ruled a vast territory extending from river Jhelum in the west to river Brahmaputra in the east, and the Indus and the Himalayas in the north, excluding Kashmir, मालवा एंड राजस्थान. मालवा राजस्थान को छोड़ करके ये पश्चिम से पूरब तक ये पूरी टेरिटरीज को कैप्चर किया हुआ था, झेलम से लेकर के ब्रह्मपुत्रा तक. टू रिवर नर्मदा इन सेंट्रल इंडिया. द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वाज वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अंडर हिम. ही पेड ग्रेट अटेंशन टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स, improvement of communication and organization of the army. The welfare of people was one of his prime concerns. Most of his reforms reflected this concern. He was very much careful about the welfare of the people of his reign. Also, he led the growth of trade and commerce. Communication. Most of his reform reflected this concern. Sher Shah Suri is also credited with having reformed the currency system, making it uniform in nature. He struck the coins called rupiah, made of gold, silver and copper. For the currency, he did a lot and launched different types of coins of gold, silver, copper, that was known rupiah, in place of the mixed metal coins. जो उस mixed metal coins का चलता था करेंसी, उसको हटा करके इसने डिफरेंट कॉइन्स गोल्ड, सिल्वर और कॉपर भी चलाया. He built an excellent network of roads known as the Grand Trunk Road. The GT road is still in use both in India and Pakistan. He built this road, that is very historical and great road, that is known Grand Trunk Road from Bihar to Pakistan. He built sarais throughout his empire for the convenience of travelers and ensure the safety of roads and highways. सराय को भी उसने बनवाया पूरे उसके अपने जो है एम्पायर में. सराय में होता है बाजार, और आने जाने की सुविधा के लिए जो है लोगों को इस बहुत सारे रोड्स और हाईवेज़ का कंस्ट्रक्शन कराया इसने. नाउ वी शैल सी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अंडर शेर शाह सूरी. किस तरह का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था इसका. Great as a conqueror that he was, Sher Shah was greater still as a ruler. He was the first Muslim ruler of India who displayed a real aptitude for civil government. His short rule was marked by many beneficent reforms in every branch of administration. For administrative convenience, Sher Shah divided his whole empire into 47 divisions called sarkars, and these were again subdivided into smaller administrative units called parganas. In the field of central administration, Sher Shah followed the Sultanate pattern. There were four main central developments which were as follows. क्या क्या थे? Four main central departments. Diwane Wazarat. This department was created to handle financial matters such as collecting taxes and maintaining accounts of the state exchequer. Second, Diwane Arj, headed by Ariz Mamlik. It was a military department. Diwane Insha, working as a secretariat, it issued royal orders. The head of this department was called Dabir. Diwane Raslak, headed by Sadr. This department dealt with the religious and foreign affair matters. Diwane Kaja, headed by Qazi, worked under this department. The Qazi looked after judicial administration. There were two important officials at the Sarkar level. Sikdare, Sikdaran, to maintain law and order. Munsif I Munsifan, to supervise the revenue collection. So, collectively we can say his administrative system was very good and strong to provide justice and freedom to all. Now we shall see the next. Three important officials at the Pargana level were. परगना लेवल पर तीन मुख्य अधिकारी इसके हुआ करते थे. कौन कौन से थे? सिकदर टू मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, आमीन टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू, मुंसिफ to look after judicial matter. These were three main officials in his court. Sher Shah's land revenue policy is an important landmark in the history of Indian agrarian system. After a survey of the land, according to uniform system, Sher Shah settled the land revenue directly with the tillers of the soil and fixed the state demand at one third of the gross produce payable either in cash or kind, depending on the productivity of land and crop. For measurement of the land, Siktari Gaja was made the base to prevent the tenants from being unduly harassed. Their rights and liabilities were clearly defined in documents known as pattas and kavuliyats. Every peasant knew what he had to pay. Sher Shah abolished the system of landlords and middlemen in his revenue administration. His revenue management is compared with the modern Rewatwadi settlement. Todermal contributed greatly to the development of the revenue policy of Sher Shah. During the rule of Sher Shah, peasants had also to pay jaribana and muhasilana. The rates of these charges were 2.5% and 5% respectively. Sher Shah's land revenue system was scientific. Keeping this in mind, Akbar also adopted the same revenue policy, albeit with some amendments. Keen on increasing the efficiency of his army, Sher Shah personally supervised the recruitment of the soldiers and paid them directly. He revived Alauddin Khalji's system of branding the horses and keeping a descriptive role of soldier. Sher Shah introduced a regular postal service. He attempted to fix standard weights and measures. Sher Shah's currency reform was extremely praiseworthy. He issued a large number of silver coins. So, the next we shall discuss in the next video. In this way, we have come to know about the Sher Shah Suri's regime and his administrative system. We can say he was a very strong and efficient ruler in the history of India. Till then, goodbye, and we will meet with new video.